how to use advanced feature in LinkedIn. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use advanced feature in LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn offers an advanced feature for refining your professional network, showcasing your work, and expanding your knowledge. Many of most powerful tools are an advanced search function as well, which is available to all users through a premium membership and gets an additional filter as well. Now, what you could do is you could filter by the level of connection you share from first degree people you are directly connected with, and second and third degree connection. This is useful for finding warm introduction path as well. And you could find people who are connected to one of your existing first degree contact, filter by current and a past as well. And you could also save your searches and set alert as well. This is also included in the premium feature itself. So basically, when you open a LinkedIn app, you could find these features available. Now, many of the features available in the premium section. So basically, you could get the premium version of it and use it as well. So with that being said, we've come to an end. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.